Batting on the hatches, there's a hurricane incoming. All right, well, maybe not an actual hurricane, but a drink. 2 ounces of light rum. Pour that in your glass and follow that up with 2 ounces of dark rum. Now I'm using Myers rum, which has a really rich, kind of caramely, burnt flavor to it, great for tropical drinks. 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, half an ounce of lime juice. Man, there's a lot of ingredients in this thing. Half an ounce of passion fruit puree. It's gonna be a big hurricane. All right, half an ounce of grenadine, and I think we're almost done here. Yeah, 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Join in the party. All right, grab your shaker tin, fill it up with ice, and pour in that drink. Time to make this hurricane nice and frosty. Shake, shake, shake. All right, grab your hurricane glass, fill that up with crushed ice, and pour in the drink. And garnish with an orange and cherry. Man, who doesn't like hurricanes? Hurricanes are awesome. Man, delicious.